just the quiet in my hands. Dust motes dancing in the light, making everything feel right. My to-do list is a mile long, but I'm just humming to the song. Slow day moving, nothing planned. Got my coffee in my hand. Not a winner, no grand prize, just the sun in my own eyes. The mailman walking down the street, a rhythm for my tapping feet. Didn't check the news, don't wanna know, just watch the potted flowers grow. Don't know where this feeling's from, this quiet rhythm like a drum. Maybe happiness is this, a simple moment, quiet play. Slow day